Arlington offers a variety of boxes, covers, and accessories for cost savings and easy installation of a receptacle in a new concrete floor. Our latest is a 5.5-inch concrete floor box and a series of recessed cover kits that allow for the installation of low-voltage ports in addition to receptacles. Made of heavy-duty plastic, the non-metallic FLBC5500 has a pour cap, 6 hubs, 4 3/4-inch plugs, 2 1-inch plugs that double as reducing bushings, and 2 low-voltage ports. Mounting ears help to level and position the box. And you get multiple options for positioning the low-voltage dividers that come with the cover. It's perfect for commercial applications or anywhere needing a large, economical box with low-voltage ports and a flush-to-the-floor cover. The recessed cover kits for this box have economical plated or powder-coated zinc covers and an ultra-thin flange for a truly flush-to-the-floor installation. Because the flange is so thin and the devices are recessed, the possibility of tripping over plugs is greatly reduced. Covers come plated in brass, nickel, and antique bronze, or powder-coated in light almond, black, or brown. They also include low-voltage openings and installed listed 20-amp receptacles. Installation is easy. Set the concrete floor box into position, securing it through the mounting ears. If desired, use 1/4-20 screws to level and position the box. After the concrete is poured and cured, remove the pour cap and cut the box to the finished floor height. Wire the receptacle on the low-voltage devices. If installing low-voltage devices, cut the same amount off the divider as you trimmed off the box. Secure the leveling ring assembly to the box by applying PVC cement under the flange. If desired, seal the underside of the flange with a silicone sealant. Add the cover blank until ready to use the box, or install the in-use slotted cover and you're done. Here's the solution for cost savings and easy installation of receptacles and low-voltage ports in a new concrete floor. Arlington's 5.5-inch concrete floor box and recessed cover kits. Also available with 2 duplex receptacles and a 4-port keystone device.